How to make my chicken and shrimp penne pasta with homemade Alfredo sauce. And we're going to do the same thing with our yellow squash. We're going to cut the ends off, throw them in the waste, and then we're going to gently and slowly peel the skin off. We're going to cut not too thick, not too thin, and then we just stack them on top of another and just right in half and throw them in the bowl we're going to use. Now we're going to do the same thing with our mushrooms. Just small little pieces. There's really nothing to put in the waste bowl when it comes to mushrooms because we're going to utilize all of them. So now our scallions or green onions. We're not going to use the ends, with the sprouts or roots or whatever you want to call them. We're not going to use those. So we're going to cut those off and put those in our waste bowl. And then just cut little pieces. We can utilize actually most of this all the way up to the top. We need some room here. We're just going to put those in our bowl. And now for the onion, we're going to actually dice our onion. So I'm going to show you, I don't have a dicer, so I'm going to show you the poor man's way to dice the onion. Peel the tops off, very easy, just like so. And there's your onion. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut across like this. And we're going to turn it, and then we're going to cut across again. And then we'll just slice it down, and voila, we have diced onion. And last but not least, our peppers. We're going to cut around the stalk in the middle and just pull it out. Put that in the waste. And then we're going to chop them up, and we'll just cut like this. And then we're going to try to make them, just dice them finely. And there you have it. Give it the once over one more time. And there you have it, our red peppers. So I'm going to finish cutting up these peppers, and then we're going to work on our chicken.